Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the amazing features and advantages of the Lynx Monocycle. Let's explore its incredible battery efficiency, handling, and comfort. One of the most awesome things about the Lynx Monocycle is its impressive battery performance during rapid accelerations. Unlike most wheels that drain battery with hard takeoffs, the Lynx handles it effortlessly. It's built for this. You can ride and accelerate like a superhero, feeling that power beneath you. Now let's talk about handling. This monocycle is super fast and lightweight, which is amazing. But it does take a little getting used to. If you're coming from another wheel, the speed can be a bit shocking. You'll find yourself zipping down city streets, needing to brake suddenly if there's a car in front of you. You might even need to throw in a ski stop for those quick adjustments. One thing I love about the Lynx is how natural it feels to transition into a seated position for stopping. I can come in fast and just sit down on the back. Every wheel has its own unique braking style, but this one is just set up right. It's funky and it really works for me. Carving on a wheel this fast is not only fun, but it also gives you better control. I've talked about how to negate wobbles on electric unicycles before, and on a lightweight wheel like this, control is key, especially at higher speeds. In tight city streets, you'll want to use seated stops to avoid wobbles. When you're going so fast and you have to stop quickly, this lightweight design means you need to adapt. It really makes a difference. If you love riding fast, this is definitely the way to go. I've had zero concerns about cutouts on this wheel. It has huge safety margins. You can go blistering fast without worrying. Honestly, I don't think I've ever pushed it to its full potential. It's wild. I've never had it beep at me for reaching a speed threshold. Most wheels I hit top speed within days, but this thing has so much more left in the tank. Look at how fast I'm riding. It can definitely go faster. Now let's talk about the suspension. It's almost mind-blowing. If you're used to riding wheels without good suspension, you'll appreciate how well this one handles uneven surfaces. You barely feel the bumps. The rebound is perfectly set, ensuring a smooth ride over those rough city roads. This wheel is absolutely worth the money. Thanks for joining me in exploring the Lynx Monocycle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. See you next time.